Right now, staying up to date on what is happening in your sales organization is more critical than ever. You're not in the office with the team, you can't join them in their in-person meetings, which probably aren't happening anyways. So what is happening? What are your reps doing without in-person support? Are your systems user-friendly enough for them to stay on top of their work? Are you able to get actionable insights into their activities? Our Skuid partner Leancog has reworked the activities tracking system for several of their clients in Salesforce Lightning. These improvements, made with Skuid, prepared these organizations well for the new normal of working remotely with their teams. 9 months ago, one client had minimal adoption of their activities tracking tools, and since install, they've seen an uptick of 226%. Let's take a look at the solution they came up with. After logging in, each salesperson goes to their personalized My Accounts tab to see their daily tasks all on a single page. Their accounts are prioritized by tab groupings that show them their gold, silver, and bronze targets. The tasks are grouped this way to set their priorities and keep the list size manageable. When they've worked through one list, they move on to the other, and so on. The table of accounts is sorted by which accounts have not been contacted in the last 15 days, with the overdue accounts highlighted clearly. On the back end, last activity and number of calls year to date has been adjusted to show activity that this particular rep has taken. The standard object in Salesforce exposes any and all activity from marketing, finance, etc. So setting at the back end to streamline this data is really helpful for each rep to keep track of only what they have done individually. Not only can the reps and their managers get key insights from this page, the reps can also take direct action in line by logging a call right from each row. This means the activities tracker isn't just a to-do list, it's a get-it-done list. The pop-up window integrates contextual account data and critical data tracking steps, so it's not a chore for reps to remember what they need to log as they go through the process. Managers get the benefits then of seeing all the data accurately in real time as the reps take action. With Skuid, Leancog also updated the overall accounts page activities panel so the sales reps could take action on accounts and pages other than their personal My Accounts page. The native Salesforce activities pane allows for activities tracking, but in this case, its nomenclature is too different from the process of this particular company. Leancog helped to streamline their view in order to reduce confusion around what constitutes an activity for the reps, whether it's a call, a meeting, etc. Now there is just one menu for activity types, and the backend does the work of differentiating between which Salesforce object is created. When the activity type is selected, Skuid's conditional rendering then displays the corresponding required fields for that activity and walks the rep through the process to capture the correct data without them having to do the heavy lifting. For Leancog, it was a no-brainer to use Skuid to make these adjustments, and the build took them very little time to deliver to their customers. Without this system in place, it would have been much harder for their users to transition to a fully remote workforce. And with Skuid, they can continually and quickly make changes to their apps as remote selling continues to force new changes to their processes.